Welcome to the vlog. Today's a really exciting vlog. I'm assuming you see the title, you see the thumbnail, you know what's happening. I'm freaking out. This whole vlog is gonna be a get ready with me to go to the Wicked premiere. I can't believe I'm saying that. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so fucking excited. I literally woke up early and I was like, I have to get the content for you guys. I woke up early because I have a fitting for what I'm gonna wear to the premiere, and literally, like, I think they should be here in 15-20 minutes. I know if I put makeup on, I'll like film more, and I was like, I wanna vlog the process and everything, and I feel like it's been a while since I've vlogged a full getting ready, fitting, carpet, extraordinaire type thing. In my head, it's not that it's boring, I feel like this is a special one. This is one that like, I feel like you guys would wanna see. And I'm really excited. I don't know what I'm wearing. I have some gorgeous dress options. I've seen none of them in person yet though, so I'm really excited. I'm going with Remi. We were obviously just in New York. We saw Wicked on Broadway there, and we knew we'd be going to the premiere, and we were just like, this is crazy. I'm so excited. Remi's gonna be wearing pink, and I'm wearing green, so I didn't plan that. I'm wearing green right now. Didn't plan that. I just wanted to throw on a little makeup just to, you know, feel good. Also, remember I was breaking out in New York? I know for a fact, I think it was my sponge. I think it's just time to like get rid of it because I was washing it, but I felt like it was still like very topical and it totally went away. So once I got a new beauty blender and soap, I swear it went away. If you're not a huge Wicked fan, you probably will not care for this vlog, but I'm so excited. Literally, I remember my first time seeing it. I was in middle school, and I actually found a photo of, it wasn't the first time that I went, but I found a photo because I fell in love with it. And then I think this was the second time I went. I like was so in love with it. I found these like green, like $10 on clearance green, I call them stripper heels, which like, maybe I shouldn't call them that. After my first time seeing it, I fucking fell in love with it. Like, tried learning songs on the piano, would sing it every single day going to school. Like, truly obsession. So once I found out I was going, I remember I was like, I know I have a photo of me attending. It wasn't the first time I saw it. I think it was like the second time. And I wore these like green sparkly heels. I don't know how my mom let me wear those. Like, I was a child, but I was like obsessed, and I begged her, and I found them $10 on clearance at like Chic. Was it Chic? Does anyone remember that? It was like a shoe store in the mall. I feel like every single mall had a Chic, and they were like the cheapest shoes. They hurt so bad. If you know Chic, you know what I mean. Here's that photo. It's hella grainy. I don't know why. That's the only one I could find, but regardless, I told Remi, I was like, I want to go all out for this premiere so much that someone thinks I'm a literal, like, I'm in it. I want someone to be like, oh, who do you play? And I'm like, no, I'm literally just here attending. Like that. Like, I think that's so funny. I'm really excited. I'm excited for Rem to see Ariana because she's never seen her so close before, other than like a concert. I'm excited to just be there. So yeah, fitting right now, tan later tonight, and then the day of the premiere, we have hair and makeup and everyone coming. So I'm so excited. And then I'll bring you along to the premiere too. I'll just vlog on my phone, but like I'll bring you along to that too. Anyway, let's fucking go. Oh my god. Hi, Parker. We love Parker on this channel. We love Parker in real life. These are stunning. How are we gonna pick one?
I don't know. But I'm obsessed with all.
No, I literally am like,
they're insane.
Okay, fuck. Okay, stunning.
I know, when you were on the plane, I was like, oh no.
Oh, gorgeous. Wait,
this one is really pretty, but like,
I love that. Okay, wait, what's your favorite? Oh, but then this one looks real. I guess we'll have to see them on.
I just have to see them on, but I think this one's like cool.
Oh, it looks way cooler in person than in the photo.
For sure. I haven't seen it on, but like, I think it's just like
different. Yeah.
I mean, I like love this kind of green, but like obviously it's see-through, so
yeah.
The emerald green is just
yeah.
wicked.
I also feel like I won't feel as comfortable in that than some of the other ones.
This is like interesting. Like this was on a mannequin, and I was like, it's really drama, but it's like a dress. But then like the robe's
kind of cool. No, it's sick.
Like it's just so drama, but like it looks better on like
yeah.
Obviously.
Wow, I can't wait for people to think I'm literally in the movie.
This is like like
Oh, that's cute.
bodycon gown. And this is what just came in.
Oh my god.
It's so heavy, but nice little corset dress.
Wait, that's really pretty. Okay, dress option 1 is actually stunning. This metal part, my hair is caught in it. Updo. Sleek, messy. Messy. Wow. I like feel so snatched. Like this corset's like. Also, it has a bodysuit, like has a built-in bodysuit, which is actually really nice. Okay, option number 1. Giving Wicked Witch. Giving I'm the understudy. Wow. Oh my god, my boobs look so good.
They look great. You got tees.
What shoes would you do with this one?
Either we could go like high or stick with like the color of the metal like this. Yeah, this is stunning because I like a pop.
Okay, yeah, I like those a lot. They're also like comfy.
Good.
At least right now.
If you like love this, we can like temporarily fix the bottom. Bring it up so you're not like dragging.
Do you like how long it is?
I love the train. I think it's drama, but we can obviously make the front like a little shorter so it,
I just want it to like, it won't look bad.
No, we can literally just do like a little.
Oh yeah, so you can actually see the gold.
Yeah, like a tiny bit so you're not like just like trembling when you wash.
Option number 2, it's a little risque. I love it, but like, it's stunning. I just
beautiful.
feel like, hi, I'm exposed, but it's beautiful. I would love to do a moment like this for something someday. My ass is fully out. It's fine. I like how it's different for me, but I definitely like the other one better. This is fun.
Well, let me tuck this in so you can like full effect it.
It's definitely like big up here.
Oh, it's a corset inside, but they didn't give us string.
Oh.
But we can obviously get a string, like, and it's in the inside, so.
I love like the top part of it, I just don't like the bottom part.
I think that, no, yeah. Oh, do you want to try on like a shoe?
Yeah.
Let's give you like a high one.
Wow,
no,
I feel really tall right now.
No, this made it look honestly better. Like
Better?
some height. You know what I mean? Like sometimes you need like that.
I feel like it's a solid like 7.5, right?
Yeah, but like, yeah. I
like
actually really love it because it is so different.
Yeah.
Yeah, the back just needs to be like locked in. Like it would be, yeah. I hate that we don't have anything to make it full effect. Like it would look like that, which is insane.
Okay. They're all very different.
They're all very different. They have all different vibes, but they're all very unique.
I like how unique they are. I feel like, I'm like, no one's gonna wear this.
No one's
wearing this.
No one's wearing that. This one's stunning.
This one's heavy.
But this one's actually like absolutely stunning. This one's like similar to Rem's. But it's okay because obviously
this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like that's cute though.
No, yeah.
But I love this one actually a lot. It's so drama. I love this. This is like the best premiere ever.
No, I know. It's like,
it's like
for any
all
premiere
out.
to go all out, this is like an easy one.
And your boobs look nuts.
Oh my god, thank you. They're my period boobs.
They look huge.
No, it's also, again, there's like a whole bra in here. Like, it's like,
No, but like it's like
there's a whole
cupping.
Victoria's Secret bombshell bra in here.
I love it. Okay, this is nuts. Let's give her the gold shoes again because they're tall. I'm obsessed.
I wish it gave me a little more shape, like the other ones did, I feel like. Oh,
I mean, we could do like
a
corset
be like that.
Huh?
More? Like leg out?
Yeah.
I wish this kind of came over a little more, you know?
I mean, we could, right? Like we could.
I don't
put
want
it
to
like
mess it up, though.
technically. You know, we could make it like that.
I just don't like this as much. I feel like the other one's like contoured so much.
Could we do like a high-waisted brief from like Skims? Like
is this see-through? I just realized this is see-through.
Well, yeah. It is, but it's not. Like, you're just wearing black underwear. But a nude one would hide it.
Yeah.
Especially a Skims like brief. Yeah, see, this is like a sample, so they didn't like really like. You see how they didn't like
Finish it.
kind of.
Yeah. And this one's not out yet?
No, you want it?
See, that's cool. All right, everyone's gone. The fitting is done, and I'm really hungry. I ordered lunch from this place, Giada. They have really good sandwiches. Also, I am so torn now because I really thought I was gonna end up with the long sleeve green one with the gold roses, and then I sent videos to all of my friends, and I'm not kidding. 7 out of 7 people said I should wear the strapless one. That's like super crazy. So I just told Parker, I was like, SOS, I might do the other one. So I'm gonna have both get tailored and we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I get that the strapless one's like more, I don't know. But anyways, I got a Caesar wrap. Really excited. We got some jalapeno chips. And then I also got a side of their ranch and then their buffalo sauce. And hold on. You guys, I feel so dumb. I looked at the clock and was like, oh my God, I was supposed to have a chiropractor appointment, completely forgot about it. Only for me over an hour later, AKA now, to realize that I haven't set this clock back yet for daylight savings time. So I could have made my appointment if I looked at my phone versus the clock on the stove. Or even, you know, the Google right here, that's correct. My appointment was at 2. So when it was 12:50, I thought I missed it and it was gonna be too late. But in reality, I had plenty of time, so that sucks. So because of that, let me change this right now. Damn, I'm so sad. Damn it. Well, at least it won't happen again. Okay, amazing news. I just called my chiropractor and he said I can still come and I can just see him at 3 instead. Thank God. Part of me was like, oh, I just like, I don't need to go, but I never regret it. It's just far, but I truly never regret it. And I always feel so much better when I do. So let's clean up a little bit. Also, I used, if you guys saw the Target vlog, I used the heat pad for styling and it was so nice. Anyway. So much better. Tell you what, this is 30 frequent trips to the chiropractor. Good morning! Today's gonna be a wicked day! Where is she? There she is.
Hi!
There she is.
It's a wicked day.
Currently in the glam chair, got my coffee. I spilt it on accident and I had to order a new one. And funny enough, we checked Miss Remi Ashton's story and she too spilled her coffee. Crazy.
Twins today. We're so Glinda and Elva.
Maybe that happened so we wouldn't fall on the carpet.
That's what I told Cal.
Something,
I'm not kidding.
really?
I told Cal this morning, I said that. He was like, you're getting all your bad luck out now so you won't fall on the carpet.
That's so real.
Wait, oh my God, that's so funny. I'm so excited. I'm feeling so pretty. I haven't even like fully seen the final, even though it's not final. No, it looks so good. Oh, you're so good with updos, Haley.
Oh, that's so nice.
No, like you're my, like, oh yeah.
She actually did tell me that.
Talent. Rem, you look stunning. Oh my God.
Finishing touches.
Wait, the lid is so pretty.
It matches the dress perfectly.
No, like it's stunning.
They slayed. Can you see? Oh, it's perfect.
I love it. The extensions look so good.
It's so good. Thank you.
You guys just finished hair and makeup. I'm absolutely obsessed with everything. The glitter. Eros, you killed it. Wow. Wow.
Here is the dress.
Wait, it looks...
We haven't seen each other's dresses on each other yet either, so this is so exciting.
And I will need you to lace me the fuck up.
I will also need the same. And the girl in New York said if your fingers don't hurt from doing a corset, you're not doing it right. So this is, I was telling them, it's like a little out of my comfort zone and like different than what I would normally go for, but still really beautiful.
I ended up going, if you saw the TikTok that I filmed, I ended up going with this one.
You're talking to me.
You too. If you saw the TikTok that I filmed, I ended up going with this one. The other one was so good, but I tried to sit in it and there's no way I could sit in it or I wouldn't be able to pee for like 3 hours unless Remi like came with me and fully undid my whole dress and corset and everything. So we could have done. I just definitely couldn't sit in it for 2 hours, like at all. But yes, oh my God, every time we film, I'm always like, I need to give this to Remi.
It's so pretty though. I saed out you were gonna like the green and gold.
Can I ruin it for you though?
What?
I got one comment being like, it's giving Fiona more than Alphabet and I can't unsee it.
That was rude.
No, but
that was rude.
No, but like I see it.
You know what I think? It's just, I think it's the shade of green.
It's more of a Christmas green than like a...
It's giving Kardashian Christmas card.
Yes.
In the best way.
But that's, yeah.
I like it.
I do like it. It's very comfy.
Also, like, any shade of green is good.
Exactly.
Did you not like the one from this brand? Did you try it on?
I tried it, but because it was so light, I was like, it almost looked more like Easter to me. So then I was like, I just felt like that and the other one were so much more like on theme for the premiere. So I was like, I can always wear the other one another time for something. Where these are, I was like, these are so specific to Wicked vibes. Like you can't really, you can be a little more like avant-garde. Okay, let me change. Oh, the way it's in, what is that? I was trying to get some B-roll. Just as headed to downtown. Okay, we are currently on our way. Hoping we're not late. We're getting to downtown. I did not realize the premiere was in downtown. So pretty. Ollie, we should have just glammed at your place.
You would have loved that.
I know. Oh my god. There's probably so much. Of course. I can lace you up, girl. That's great. Also, okay, we came up and everyone was saying they love her face. All right, we are currently on the carpet. It is crazy.
Crazy. So pretty though.
It's honestly so crazy. The fact that they had drinks, amazing. We're past the photo op and now we're at the the media interview part. Guys, these are the costumes. Do you see how tiny? Do you see how small and petite?
So petite and little.
Obviously this is Ari's, that's Cynthia's. The one's literally up there. We're walking into the screening room. This is the actual craziest carpet I've ever been to in my life. Also, Remi saw the host of Shiz University, or of a Sentimental Man. And she breathed on my god. I'm so sorry. It's Shiz University. We're in our seats. We're waiting for it to start.
We got popcorn.
This is us before seeing Wicked Part 1 for the first time.
None of this happens without what they contributed and still lives on in great legacy. So thank you both ladies and dear friends of mine. And now I'd like to introduce you to some of the cast of the film who's here with us tonight. Please welcome our Shen Bronwyn James. The hilarious Bronwyn James. There she is, ladies and gentlemen. And please welcome the delightful and sweet, our wonderful, wonderful Bob. Hi, Ethan. Ethan Slater. Also making her screen debut tonight, our beautiful and powerful Nessa Rose, Marissa. A national treasure and our wizard, Mr. Jeff Goldberg. Please welcome the exquisite and beautiful and Academy Award-winning actress, Michelle Yeoh.
Icon, queen, and gorgeous, stunning.
The dashing and exuberant and charismatic Mr. Johnny Bailey, our Fiero. And as everybody knows, there's no Wicked without our two ladies.
Oh my god.
And the ability to play strong, complicated women with all of their fragilities, and two women who see things a different way and yet find a journey to each other and find each other in love, in friendship, and change each other and the world around them. Won't you please welcome the singular Cynthia Erivo and Ariana Grande.
Is that